Fine by me. That was totally awesome.
What the heck? This was one weird play.
Sad day.
Save me! Just give me a sec to catch my breath. Oh, that was so cool. It's time for some road rage, Bart Simpson style. And I just had it detailed.
Inside your head.
My butt hurts. Damn automatic transmission. Kind of. All for Bart! Lisa did it. Oops. Take that!
This is the worst.
Whoa! Eat asphalt, asphalt eaters. Lousy laws of physics. I think I broke something. Whoa, wicked! Energy depleting. Need sugar. I just know I'm gonna be blamed for this. Eat ass! tired. So very tired. Oh yeah, baby, bring it on.
What the heck?
Oh man, this sucks. No problemo. I hope that was expensive. Jump to light speed. Oh, this is too cool for school. Woo, nice one. Don't have a cow, man.
Weird place.
Oh man, this sucks. Oh man, this sucks. Do that more often. Eat my dust, dust eaters. Hope that didn't break my memory card. Whoa! Whee! Oops.
This is a...
It's time for some road rage, Bart Simpson style. My butt hurts. Oh man, that sucks and blows. Take that! Oh, that was so cool. Oops. Ugh, my butt hurts. Nice driving, man. I didn't do it. Oh, this is too cool for school. If I didn't play so many video games, I'd be in better shape. Oh! detailing.
This is one weird.
Take that! Whoa!
This.
My dad'll pay for all the damages. Lousy laws of physics. Oh, I shouldn't enjoy this so much.
What the?
Sad day.
Well done, my little sociopath.
I like to smash.
Now there is no chance my Truckosaurus will go on a killing rampage with the screaming and the sadness and the hosing of blood off the robot.
All right, that was so cool. Wow, Truckosaurus is some kind of truck/dinosaur. I never would have guessed. Uh-oh. Yes! Everybody do the Bartman! my stupid brother. Have you seen him?
Yes, can't talk now. I must get the last copy of the new Itchy and Scratchy Adventures comic. It's the controversial issue in which they finally kiss. Assist me, and I will aid you with your dilemma.
Lisa Simpson at your service. Sweet forward momentum. You better run!
I spilled my squishy.
This is so humiliating. I love being in the lead.
I think you could have avoided that. Look like my pants and spit.
What a letdown.
I blame no one. Not going to
Now can you tell me if you've seen my pointy-headed nuisance?
silence. I must get this comic into a Mylar bag before it deteriorates into near mint condition. Heaven forbid. Out of the way! Official fanboy business! And just where do you think you are going? Really must learn how to drive. Now to get this inky treasure into its Mylar sanctuary.
What about Bart? I asked you, have you seen him?
I think I saw him at the Noiseland arcade. Ugh, video games were a waste of money. Now to go online and bid $1,000 for itchy and scratchy corncob holders. A terrific, terrific expense.
Yay! I won! I won! I won!
Ah! I'm drowning in garbage water!
Millhouse, has Bart been here?
I haven't seen him. Hey, can I buy you a frozen yogurt? I'll throw in 2 dry toppings or 1 wet topping.
Bart's disappeared. You have to help me find him.
Well, he might be at Wally Weasel's. He likes the smell of the ball cage.
Hello, Springfield.
You almost hit me.
Now that was efficient. Millhouse? What are you doing here?
Lisa, what a coincidence. Hey, is that a new dress?
No, I've been wearing this dress for years. Now where's Bart?
I think he's at the Planet Hype.
Ow, my hair!
Move it!
Oh, hi, Lisa. Fancy meeting you here.
Stop following me!
I heard Bart might be out by the Springfield sign. Perhaps you'd like to share some chewing gum.
Move it, Buster! People in this state are jerks!
Hey, hey, hey! There's a Millhouse for everyone!
Time to move! Oh dear.
This is the worst time.
Quit it!
Thank goodness for seatbelts. Move it! Now I'll probably... The time for action is now. Millhouse? What are you doing here?
Lisa!
I'm on a mission. I'd move if I were you. Ow! Uh-oh, I need a little help here. Hi, go, girl. You have a gift for speed. Incoming bad guy.
Look out!
Oops. Sorry. Ha!
How'd you like a newspaper upside your head?
Could you come get me? Time to hit the streets.
Hey! The rough.
Careful! Oh, hi, Lisa. Fancy meeting you here.
Stop following me.
I heard Bart might be out by the Springfield sign. Perhaps you'd like to share some chewing gum. Oh, good! Another bully! should have paid more attention in the gym. Wow. I need to work on my cardio. I could sure use a pony right now. Am I old enough to drink coffee yet? So hungry. Need federally mandated breakfast. Maybe a soy pop would perk me up. Phew! I should have paid more attention in the gym. Wow. I need to work on my cardio. I need a ride here, stat! I need speed, more speed! Hi, Lisa! My, your hair looks pointy today. Millhouse, have you seen Bart or not? So, Lisa, do you have a date for the harvest dance? This is not a good time. It's never a good time! Bart always hung out at the Quickie Mart. Maybe Apu has seen him. Easy as pie. The number, that is. Rudeness is epidemic. I need speed, more speed! Oh no!
Whoa, this is terrible. A very bad man is delivering roadkill to all the Krusty Burgers, which are cheaper than my Quickie Dogs. Must admit, the smell of fresh air is much more pleasing than the odor of the hot dog machine.
Let's just do this thing.
Whoa, yeah. 300 horses of convenient power. Hopefully my store will not be robbed more than 4 times while I am driving around today.
Lisa Simpson at your service.
Eat pickup, city folks! Hey, move it, Whitey!
Sweet forward momentum.
Whoa, no!
Watch out!
Whoa, yeah.
Oh, Mom!
Yeehaw! Claytus is bringing the pain! Eat pickup, city folks! Claytus is bringing the pain! This is not good for my insurance. Jiminy crickets!
Speed, Glorious, speed!
I am a lean, mean Vindaloo machine! Eat pickup, city folks! Oh, I smashed my skull. Yeehaw!
That was pretty cool. But Bart's still missing, and I'm no closer to finding him.
Perhaps you should consult Professor Frink at the observatory. He seems to know everything. Except why I ever came to this Jerkwater Burg.
Get out of the way! Professor Frink! Professor Frink! My brother Bart is missing. Have you seen him?
Well, let's see now. Bart helped me build a monster and then disappeared in a bright light.
Wow, this is crazy. I need someone to talk to who's wise and learned. Easy as pie. The number, that is.
Silent alarm activated.
I could sure use a pony right now. to drink coffee yet? Grandpa, can you help me find Bart? He's missing.
Maybe I'm just a senile old man, but Bart's lucky red hat fell out of that black car.
Wow, Grandpa, what a great clue. You showed why senior citizens are valuable members of the community.
I think my baby teeth are growing back. That's why I had to punch that nurse.
I better use something big if I want to take that car out. Like that school bus. So hungry. Need federally mandated breakfast. I seem to be stranded here. Can you help a sister out?
Hold on a minute. I can't find my clown nose. Wait a minute. I'm charging my pacemaker. Is that my escort? It's time to get down with the clown. Is that room service? Where's my matzo ball soup? Finally, we've been waiting for the chocolate syrup to arrive for an hour. Hold on a minute. I can't find my clown nose.
Maybe a soy pop would perk me up. I should have paid more attention in the gym. Gotta go. Otto, I know I'm a little young to be asking this,
Look, I don't have any special brownies left. I ate them all.
but do you think I can use your school bus?
Oh, right. Cool. Meet my price and she's all yours, little lady.
Hello, Springfield.
destruction.
Oh, the guilt.
How'd you like?
I go, girl. Watch where you're going. Sweet forward momentum. Oh, dear.
Revenge I'll have, sis.
Not too fast, not too slow, just right. Ow, my hair! Thank goodness for seatbelts. Darn it! Ow! It's empty! What's going on in this town? My bad. Excuse me, Chief Wiggum? Can you help? I've got to find my...
Beat it, you bum!
Can you please pick me up? Just a few more. Time to move. Oh, Mom. I'd move if I were you. Ow, my hair. I go, girl. Watch out! All for Lisa. Speed